Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you where is the best to connect to the audio harness in the Audi A4 B8 if you want to add an amplifier, for example. Okay, so inside the trunk on the left side you open up this hatch in here and you have your radio unit that also serves as an amplifier if you don't have the high-end audio system, in which case you would also have an amplifier right here at the top, but I don't, obviously. So here is our connector, and this is where we want to actually insert our wires and also take signal from. So to open this connector, you pinch on this lower part of it. I will show you in a moment exactly what's in there, and then pull on this ledge to get it out. So for the lower part, almost impossible to show, this is where you need to pinch it, right in the middle, down there in the middle of it. It has some sort of a clip that locks it in this position, which is what we don't want. We need it to move freely so we can get it out of there. Okay, so here the brown part, these are our front speakers and rear speakers, and in the black part right next to it we have center and subwoofer. So depending on what you need to amplify, you can simply take signal from these pins, and I will show you in a moment something that I filmed previously to see how to remove the pins. To work a bit easier, I'm going to get this brown part out. It has one clip here. I've already put this knife underneath it and a tiny one down at the bottom. So after I unclip both of them, I think I can push it backwards. Yeah, I was actually right. So I can get it out of here and work only with it. Next thing, needed to push this out. You can push it from the other side. It has a hole where you can reach it. It will fly away, so be careful about it, don't lose it. And now I must check exactly inside of these things which one of these tools I need, and I will also link tools like this in the description of the video. Okay, first one is out. This is actually a negative for back left side. This is the tool that worked for it. Okay, so that being said, you can even, depends on what you need to do, even directly cut the wires, take signal from them if you have a high level amplifier, and then insert the output from your amplifier into the wires that you cut, so they will go through the standard wires inside your car to the doors, for example, or to the center or the subwoofer, depends on what you want. This I added because mine didn't have them, and I will link the video in the description where I actually added these wires. So yeah, basically for your car, for our car, this is the best point to splice into the audio system. And we also have power here, which are these two thick connectors, and the wires are right here. But here you always have power, even with the car shut off and closed. So if you have an amp that can enter standby by itself when you don't have audio signal on it, you can take power from here. Or you can actually take power from here for any amp, but you need to bring a separate wire from somewhere, from a fuse that only has power when you actually put on the contact, because otherwise you might drain your battery. But yeah, that depends a lot on what type of amp you actually use. But yeah, we have permanent 12 volts in here, but we don't have 12 volts that goes off with the ignition. So you need to get that from somewhere else. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Hope it helps somebody. It's quite simple in my opinion, and it's quite okay. You can even put an amp in here if you want. There is plenty of room in this side. And yeah, so that's that. Again, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other Audi A4 B8 related videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.